for you and fly in the air. Friends.
Yo guys, it's Tonor, and today we're going to have a look at the Tonor wireless microphone. It's going to be a really cool microphone. It's completely wireless, and if you're interested in purchasing this, link to my down in the description. We're going to unbox it and review it in this video. The box got the Tonor logo on the top. Wireless microphone, long range wireless signal up to 150 foot of powerful uninterrupted wireless transmission signal. Sounds so cool. That's what the girl over there is saying apparently. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Going around the box, it's like this little paint splatter style. Sounds so cool. I think that's probably one of their, sayings or whatever. Let's cut open the box. We'll put that to the side. Cool. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have inside the box. So it's a very simple, cheap quality cardboard. I mean, it doesn't really feel premium, doesn't look premium. It's just a really basic box, really. We've got the Tonor microphone. What seems to be a little quick start guide, maybe. Little booklet thing. Yeah. So we've got some of the specs over here. If you want to pause it and check it out, you can go ahead and pause the video right now and check out all these specs. We can see here the main thing is the working range of up to 50 meters, the carrier frequency range, how many decibels, dimensions, lithium ion rechargeable battery 500 mAh. So it's got a 500 mAh rechargeable battery life is up to 6 hours, and charging time takes about 1 hour with a 1 amp charger. Go ahead and grab the microphone. Here it is. It feels very lightweight actually. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel very lightweight. So this is the microphone, the actual quality of the microphone. Damn, this feels good quality. Does it have some juice in it? Let's see. Is this how you power it on? I mean, we're literally gonna have to figure out how to use this. Oh, it looks like you need to put the batteries inside of it first, obviously, of course. So I am gonna use it, of course. We've got to try it out first, see how it is. The sound you're listening to right now is just the normal sound from my camera. So if we put that to one side, let's hope no rock over. What else do we have? We have this wireless adapter. So this is the actual thing that makes it wireless. So you can see here it's got the adapter end, got the auxiliary pin, we've got USB 5 volts, got the power cable here. So I think this has battery. So this is what's rechargeable. Wireless microphone. You can see it's written on here, UHF auto sync. So that's pretty cool. So that's the thing, you plug this into your devices, this wirelessly connects to the microphone, and that's what causes it to work wirelessly. We got this over here, not sure what this is. I'm looking, this probably goes through here and slots in the top over here, so you can hold it like that. I think that's that for. Not really sure, guys. I mean, I don't really know a lot about microphones, to be honest. I'm not really much of a musician, to say, but I think that's what it is. I mean, I do know little bits about music. We do have a converter here as well, so we can convert that auxiliary pin into a 3.5mm auxiliary pin, like so. Very nice. Nice that all comes included. That can be very useful, this adapter, so that's awesome. We do have micro USB to USB charging cable to charge the wireless device. And if we open here, we do have some batteries as well to actually power on the microphone. So it's nice that they include some batteries, alkaline golden power batteries. So I mean, they're not really high quality batteries, but it's nice that batteries are included. And then we got the little cover that goes on top, the muffler or whatever you want to call it, that goes on top of the microphone, and seems very tight, so you just have to really pull down on it, and hopefully it'll look quite cool once this is on. Yeah, tight fits usually look better, so there you go. And that normally muffles any sound, or when you get too close to it, the echoey or the loud bang noises, that usually helps. So that's really good. That's all we do get in the box. not gonna lie, I am gonna have to try out the microphone to see what it's like, and then if I can, hopefully be able to put it on the video so you can hear me talk using the actual microphone, so you guys can see the sound quality. Yeah, so let's put some batteries in, let's power it on, and I'm gonna check it out, and then we'll be back with the review. So what you're listening to now is the microphone without the wind cover or the foam, whatever you like to call it, windshield, some people call them as well. So it's not actually called a muffler, it's called a foam or wind cover. So it's obviously used to protect the sound of the wind. So if you're outside and you put on this cover, it just gets rid of that muffled sound of the wind and the blowing sound. And also when you put the mic too close to your mouth or to your lips, hopefully it gets rid of that sound as well. So that's what it's used for. So this is the sound of it without the wind cover. And the sound quality, I believe, I mean, you can hear it yourself. I think it is quite crisp, it's quite clear, but it's a little bit on the quiet side. And sometimes you do get a little high pitch, low pitch sound. It's a bit random. It all depends on how close you are. So you got to sort of stay the same distance. So if you move back and forward a bit, so I'm just going to move back and forward a bit right now. So now I'm a little bit further away from the microphone, and now I'm a little bit further again to the microphone, closer to the microphone. Sorry. So that's the difference there. I'm closer to the microphone now, and now I'm a little bit further away. Now I'm about sort of 3 inches away from the microphone. So this is what it sort of sounds like. So this is the part that you plug into your computer or your machine, whatever you're using. That will go straight into your amp or your speakers, whatever you're using. I mean, it comes with an auxiliary adapter. You can see once you power it on, you could just turn on the transmitter, and then you turn on the microphone. And as soon as you turn that on, you can see the middle light turns on, which is the frequency. Just to show it's been connected to the microphone. And as soon as you turn on the microphone and turn on the transmitter, the frequency has automatically been set, and it will automatically connect to the transmitter. Another thing is, as soon as you start talking through the microphone, the light will go green. So as you can see right there, I'm talking through the microphone, the light is going green. So it picks up your sound, and it basically confirms that it did receive a sound wave, and that sound wave basically goes onto your device, your speaker or your laptop or whatever. So it's a 50 meters of distance, which is really, really good. So, I mean, let's say you use it for speeches or singing. I mean, that's mainly what it's used for, not really for YouTubing or doing voiceovers or anything like that. So speaking and singing would be really good. I mean, 50 meters of distance is quite a good thing. So I'm gonna put on that wind cover on it now. So the foam, I'm literally gonna put that on now on the microphone. So let me just put that on. So you might hear a little bit of muffling sounds. So let's put it on now. There you go. I've just put it on now, so you might have heard me put it on. This is what it sounds like with the foam on. Hopefully, it's probably a little bit more quiet, or maybe you don't hear much of a difference. But it's really cool. So if you open up the compartment at the bottom over here, you can actually change the frequency channels by pressing that button. I wouldn't suggest pressing that button unless you actually know the channel you want to set it to, because it's already preset to the right channel it's meant to be in order to connect to the wireless transmitter. But other than that, I think it's a really good speaker. Microphone, my mistake. It's really, really good material. Steel that's gone all the way around here. Even the transmitter feels really, really nice metal quality as well. There's no like cheap plastics anywhere. It looks really, really good. And other than that, I think it's really good. So if you are a person that needs a microphone for speeches or singing, not really for YouTubing to be honest, not really for doing covers or videos, but for music, I think it's pretty good. So link to my will be down in the description. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.